Hey, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do one more mod, a visual mod on my Sunny. As you can see now, the rear end is kind of plain. The things which I've done at the rear is I've wrapped this centerpiece into carbon, gloss carbon and red, then slightly blacked out the tail lights, only the indicators and the brake light. So nowadays cars come with the rear diffusers. So the diffuser meaning the black part, the bottom part of the bumper is black. Newer Sunny, the facelifted one, did come with the rear diffuser kind of look. So this part which you can see, the curve extends up to there, that comes black in the newer Sunny. So I'm gonna do that here. Now you're gonna ask me how. I'm not gonna paint it, but I'm gonna wrap it. I can wrap it directly, but wrapping it this way will become a mess. It will be difficult, but so I thought I'll remove that, the whole bumper, and I'll do that. So yeah, I'll be wrapping from this border, this line, and till here, the whole down section. So yeah, and then once I remove this bumper, I'll be able to clean the chassis, all the dirt accumulated there, and inside of the bumper too. So yeah, let's begin. So I'll show you how. First I'll show you how to remove the bumper, and then we're gonna wrap it. So the steps included in removing the bumper will be firstly opening the boot. This should be most for most sedans. Then after pulling the boot, I'll have to remove both the tail lights from inside. Some tail lights have two bolts outside, and you can directly remove that. My Sunny, the bolts are inside. There are 2 or 3 bolts and then one plastic lock over here. You just need to pop it out from there. Then after removing those two, then there's screw over here, 2 screw or 1 screw over here. Okay, then the main thing, the upper portion will be removed. So from side, there are clips over here. So for that I'll have to remove this bolt which you can see now. Both the side it is there. Then there are some 4-5 clips underneath here. So yeah, the first what we'll have to remove are these bottom clips, followed by this nut both side, then followed by the tail lights, and then these 2 screws over here. Then you can just lift it up. Otherwise, if you remove these and then if you remove the clips last, then the bumper will just fall off and the clips might break. Bumper might also break. So yeah, so let's begin. I just removed the 2 clips from underneath the bumper, and now I'm gonna remove these 2 bolts from either side too. So this one is a 10 mil. These both bolts, and take a wrench and just unscrew it. I'll remove it from the other side as well. So now in order to remove my tail lights, the nuts are hidden behind this carpet, so I have to remove these clips and my tail light is out. So for the connectors, you can see there's a simple connector over here which you need to pop out. In my case, if your connector is similar like this, there's one clip which is at the end. You just need to put a screwdriver there and bring it up, and your connector will come out this way. So yeah, now my first tail light is out. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side too. Both the tail lights are out now. I have kept it inside the boat itself, safe place. And now I'll be removing this bumper. As you can see, there's one bolt here, same 10 mil bolt, and one here. Once you remove these bolts, you have to remove this clip, or else you can remove the clips first, both sides, followed by the bolt, and then your bumper will just pop out. So remove it carefully. Remember, we have removed this nut from here, so we'll be asking what is the use. This is the use. You need to pop out them bumper from those clips. Same way from the other side too. Don't use too much force. Use simple pressure and it will pop out like this. Remember to cover your connectors, because inside where you can see, this is, I had cleaned this last year, so still it is so dirty after a year. Now you can guess how much dirty it will be there inside. So we'll be cleaning that too, so that you don't put any water inside the connectors. So to prevent that, you have to cover those couplers too. Okay, so the thing which I just realized now is that I have rare sensors in my bumper, so I need to unplug them as well. So if you have rare sensors, then you'll have to do the same thing too. My bumper wasn't coming off. One thing is I need to remove my sensor wires, and the other thing is this small plastic piece which is attached to the car with just these two clips. I need to remove those two clips and my bumper will off. So if you have done all these procedures and still you think that your bumper isn't coming off, you need to look for something or somewhere which is holding your bumper, and remove those nuts and bolts or clips, anything. Just don't yank it off that it is not coming, thinking that it is stuck something in the clip or something. You will break something or you might destroy something, your wires or anything. So yeah, be careful. So I have removed all those extra clips which were there down. So now everything is off. I have even removed the sensor connectors, and now I'm gonna remove the bumper. So just popping off this lid and my bumper will be off. And there you go. Bumper is off finally. Okay.
What we do here is go back.
So I have cleaned the top surface of the bumper and I have dusted all the mud from underneath. And now you'll be asking what all these black spots are. The paint has gone from there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna tape using the paper tape the line so that I can cut it precisely. And yeah, so it will be like starting from here and it will end over here. Let's tape it first and then we'll move to the wrapping. Finally it is done. So you can see now how it looks. This is the partial look. Now once I install, then I'll show you how it looks finally on the car. So now let's install it on the car. I'm very excited to see this look on the car. Yeah, this look. So let's go install it on the car. There.
Oh, no.
Okay, so finally I'm done with the wrapping and installation of the bumper. So I'll show you now. I've come to the location. for the perfect lighting. So here it is. This is how the back is looking now. The back is also looking very aggressive, as you can see. The sunlight is a bit strong. I'll even put pictures. So this is how it looks now. It looks nice. Like the car really looks aggressive in the real world, if you realize. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all like this video, and yes, do subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.